Subtract whole numbers with regrouping. Remember the place value of each digit. The reason I ask you to do this is it will help you to understand the whole process of subtraction with regrouping. So to help us remember the place value of each digit, I'm actually going to label them at the top above this line. So here's the ones place and here is the tens place for the first one. Now we're going to do some subtraction, but before we start you need to remember that it goes from north to south, top to bottom. Don't just switch it around because it's convenient. 4 take away 6, oh dear, can't do that. Let's switch it round, 6 take 4. Sorry, doesn't work that way. So here we go. 4 subtract 6. If you've got $4 you can't spend 6, so therefore we're going to have to regroup. So we're going to cross out that 5 to show that we're going to remove one of these tens, and when I take one of these tens from here I'm going to put it next to the 4, and now I've got a 10 and a 4, 14. Don't forget to show that you've done that. Put that 4 there because we've just taken 1 from the 5. Alright, now we've got 14 take 6, which is much easier, so we can call the answer there 8. Then we've got 4 take away 2, which is 28. Now we come to the easy checking that subtraction allows you to do. Because add and subtract are brothers or sisters or related in some way, they're in the same family, this is how it works. 8 add 6 is 14. See, it works pretty well. 8 add 6, 14. We know that column's right. 2 add 2 is 4. We know that column's right. Looking good. Let's move on. Labeling ones, tens, hundreds. Right, let's have a go. First of all we need to put the subtraction sign in. Better put it in over here as well. And we're going to do some subtraction in the ones column. Remember, go north, south, from top to bottom. Here we go. 3 subtract 8. Cannot do, so we're going to have to regroup. So we'll take one of these. These are the tens. We're going to take one of those tens and put it next to the 3. So we've got 1 10 and a 3, which is 13. Up here, because we've removed one, we've got to show that, and that leaves 8 of them. 8 what? 8 tens. Okay, 13 take away 8 is 5, so that's good. Now we can say 8 take away 6 is 2. That's okay. Now 6 subtract 3 is 3. Looks pretty good. Let's check it. Remember, the opposite of subtract is add. Let's do it. 5 add 8, 13. Yep. 2 add 6, 8. Yes. 3 add 3, 6. Yes. Must be good. Right, last one coming up. Mark off the ones, tens, and show the hundreds. Right, here we go. Starting at the top, working our way down. 1 take away 2. If you've got $1 you can't buy something for 2. So regrouping is what we're going to do. So we're going to go next door to the tens, and we're going to take one of those tens and bring it into the ones place. So we've got a 10 and a 1, which is 11. Don't forget to show that you've removed one of those tens and now there's only 2 left. So we've got 11 take away 2 is 9. That looks alright. Now we've got 2 take away 5. Uh-oh, can't be done. So we'll have to go back to the old regrouping. So regrouping, here we go. Where do we go? Next door to the next level up. And I'm going to look and take one of these, which of course are hundreds. I'm going to take one of these and show that I've taken one by changing the number to an 8. Then I'm going to put the 1 here, and I'm going to start with the subtraction top to bottom. 12 take away 5, 7. Next door, last column, 8, subtract 4 is 4. And now we'll do the checking. 9, add, because add is the opposite of subtract. 9 add 2, 11, looks good. 7 add 5, 12. 4 add 4, 8. There we go. Right, so that's it. It can be a bit tricky, but with practice you can do it. Okay, that's all for now.